$17,000 in one day. You can see it right here on my screen. That was just one day of commissions. And yesterday, $8,500 in a day. And the craziest part, I didn't create my own product. I don't run complicated websites. I didn't hire a big team. I'm doing this with my Facebook profile, my laptop, and my phone. And so are thousands of our students. And I want to be 100% transparent with you from the start. No, you won't become a millionaire overnight. Results vary based on your effort. But if you're willing to follow the exact steps that helped us and thousands of our students, then we can absolutely show you what's working right now. And at the end of this training, I will show you a shortcut that you can use to make your first $5,000 online in the next 30 to 60 days. So make sure you watch until the end. You don't want to miss this. Now, if you are here right now, this is probably you. You've tried posting online, but it didn't bring you any sales. You've tried spamming links everywhere, but no one bought. You feel overwhelmed with all the tech and still not sure where to start. And you are tired of watching everyone else post results while you feel stuck. If that sounds like you, then you are in the right place. Because you might be wondering, how did I even get here? Because just a few years ago, this was my reality. I was working 12-hour shifts, delivering auto parts, $35,000 in debt, and got sued by a credit card company. I was using food stamps to buy groceries, watching my wife pick the cheapest items at the store just so we could feed our kids. And the worst part, every night I lie awake in my bed, wondering how I was ever going to change our family's future. I tried so many different ways, try to make money online. I wasted months watching YouTube videos, spinning my wheels, and still feeling stuck. But everything changed when I discovered this one simple business model. It finally clicked. I stopped guessing. I follow a proven process. And from that moment, my life completely transformed. I pay off the $35,000 in debt in 90 days. I quit my delivery job in 6 months of starting this online business. I took my family on our first vacation in years. I bought our dream house. And now we are earning multiple 5 figures per month online with a business that runs from my laptop and my phone. And recently, I received a $1 million award from a software company. I couldn't imagine this is my life right now when I first started this online business while I was on food stamps. All right. My business partner Nathan and I have helped over 1,000 total beginners start earning $1,000 days using this exact method you are about to see. From truck drivers, stay-at-home moms, busy dads, teachers, nurses, total beginners with no experience, like our students, Jack, a former call center worker, made $60,000 in just a few months. And he's doing this without showing his face, 100% faceless. Jake, busy dad with a full-time 9 to 5, made over $100,000 in 4 months. Jess, a stay-at-home mom, made $21,000 in her first 8 weeks. And several members have crossed over $1 million in commissions, including Nathan Lucas, Joe, and Laura. They are just ordinary people like you and me. If they can do it, do you think you can put in the same effort with our exact steps and help to help yourself achieve similar results?
What can I say about Daniel and Nate? Well, they actually gave me my life back. I was in a head-on collision and as a grandmother had to change my earnings from dental hygiene to online digital marketing. And I was raising my grandkids unexpectedly, and I felt really dumb. I didn't have tech skills. I thought I was pretty crazy actually doing it. And I'm pretty sure lots of my friends thought I was nuts as well. And they actually helped me turn that around. They helped me learn how to do what I need to do to be successful online with incredible mentorship. And I don't know, my engagements increased. Every part of my business has increased. Funnel Freedom and Jonathan Montoya have been the same, just offering, I don't know, a gateway to new opportunities that I never knew existed. And I can't thank these guys enough.
Nathan and Daniel with the Wealth Warriors. I've never seen anything like their program. It has every single thing. These guys provide the craziest support to help you create success in your journey.
Now, let me break down the business model in plain English. In my opinion, this is by far the easiest online business model for beginners. It's called affiliate digital marketing. Here's a simple way to understand it. Think about how people make money from a franchise. When people buy a franchise like a fast food chain, they are buying a proven business model. The brand is already trusted. The product already sells. The systems are already in place. That's why people pay $50,000, $100,000, even $500,000 to buy a franchise, because it saves them all the trial and error, and they can start making money faster with a system that already works. But here's the problem. Most people don't have $50,000 or $100,000 sitting around to start a franchise business. And even if they do, they are stuck running a local business, managing employees, dealing with business overhead, and they can only make sales in their local area. And that's where this online version comes in. Affiliate digital marketing is like owning your own franchise, but 100% online with no massive startup costs and no limits on where you can sell. You can make sales to anyone, anywhere, in your country or globally. You can run the business from home or while traveling with just your phone and laptop. And you don't need to hire staff or rent a physical location. You can run the business from your bedroom, all right? So this is how you can get started. You get a reseller license from proven digital products that people already are buying, and you can sell them as your own. This way, you don't need to create any products by yourself. You don't need to handle customer service. You don't need to ship anything because they are all digital, right? You simply share about the product online, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. And in our program, Passion Over Profits, POP, we've already done the hard work for you. All right. We created our Passion Over Profits digital marketing program, a proven, ready to sell digital product that's already generating thousands of sales in the marketplace. You get the reseller license, meaning you can sell it and keep 100% of the sale, which means you are making about $1,000 per sale. It's like getting your own digital franchise or business in a box. The product is ready. The sales process is proven. You simply plug in for more and get paid.
Daniel and Nathan completely transformed everything. They taught me how to craft offers so compelling that people couldn't say no. They showed me exactly how to structure my offers, price them confidently, and create bonuses that added tremendous value.
Anybody who's thinking about joining the program with Nathan and Daniel, I highly recommend checking it out, get some questions answered, build that relationship with them, and maybe you guys will be like us, 6 figures, quit that 9 to 5 and move forward in life.
And here's how simple it is. Step 1, you get access to our done for you digital product with master resale rights. You can resell it to people who want to learn how to make money online for 100% commissions, and you get paid almost $1,000 per sale. Just 2 customers per month, that's an extra $2,000 monthly income. If you just get 5 customers per month, that's an extra $5,000 monthly income. Let me ask you, what would you do with that extra $5,000 monthly income? Step 2, you turn your Facebook profile into a simple storefront. Templates are provided inside our program. You don't need to build complicated websites. You don't need to hire a team. You can do this with your phone or laptop. Step 3, you post simple curiosity-driven content. You don't even need to show your face if you don't want to, all right? Then people message you through your content. They ask for more information. You send in the information. They enroll. You keep 100% of the profits from the sale. That's it. 3 simple steps. Rinse and repeat. And we coach you every single step of the way to help you hit your first $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 months and beyond.
I'm so happy that I found them. If you are still on the fence about working with these guys, listen, you need to stop. Just get right in right now. And whatever they're offering you, get in, take action, follow what they're saying, because these guys are the real deal.
You see, I used to depend all the time on paid advertising. And when I switched to their strategy and focused on building a brand, building know, like, and trust, all of my income became more sustainable. I stopped having up and down months. I learned a ton from them. These guys are the real deal. Make sure that you get these guys as your mentors.
Right now, let me ask you this. If you could follow a simple 3-step process with a premium product already done for you and a 7-figure coaching team guiding you step by step, would you feel more confident finally building an online business that can create real income? So you can stop stressing about your bills. You can have more time with your family and finally enjoy the freedom that extra income brings. Now, when you enroll into Passion Over Profits POP program today, here's exactly what you are getting. You're going to get the Passion Over Profits digital marketing course, a ready to sell $997 product with your reseller license included. The complete 3-step repeatable process training provided inside the program. You're going to get weekly live coaching with our 7-figure coaches to help you implement and scale. You get access to our member-only private community where you can ask daily questions, get real-time feedback, and tap into a network of 6 and 7-figure earners who share what's working right now. All right. So you'll never be stuck or trying to figure this out alone. Real support is just one post away.
The laser focus that they give you, the support they give you, and the push and the drive that makes you wake up every single day and get excited to actually work on your business.
It's a great environment. They give us weekly training. They're available on the Telegram app. They're available in the DMs. I always get great advice from them.
Everything about them really helps you gain the knowledge you need to make money with affiliate marketing. And not only that, help you mentally change your focus, change your mindset so that you can become the best affiliate marketer out there.
And to make this a total no-brainer for you, you are also getting these amazing bonuses when you join our POP program today. All right. Bonus number 1, I'm going to give you the 0 to 10K FastTrack course. This one is valued at $5,000. Basically, I took this course from our $5,000 Inner Circle program and give this to you as a free bonus. Okay. You cannot buy this anywhere outside besides joining our $5,000 Inner Circle program. But when you join POP today, I'm going to give you this course for free as a bonus. It's going to help you shortcut your journey to your first $10,000 month in the next 12 weeks. Bonus number 2, our $3 million commission backed Facebook content library. This one is $2,000 value. This is our personal vault of all our Facebook posts, templates. They are proven to generate over $3 million in commissions for me and Nathan. You just copy, paste, post, and watch people message you and ready to buy from you. Bonus number 3, you're also going to get our high converting digital product vault with 100% resale rights. Okay. This one is valued at $1,000. So you're going to get a series of proven to sell digital products from low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket, okay, that you can resell them as your own for 100% profits. This will give you more income streams for your online business. All right. And bonus number 4, this is the most amazing bonus that you're going to see. Okay. When you join POP today, we also going to give you a $5,000 sales guaranteed mentorship. What does that mean? It means we're going to guarantee to help you make your first $5,000 online, or we coach you every single week until you make $5,000. All right. This bonus is valued at $5,000 by itself. You're going to get 7-figure coaches like myself and also my coaching team hold your hand through weekly group coaching until you hit $5,000 in sales. If you don't hit $5,000 in 60 days, we keep coaching you every single week, no charge, until you have that $5,000 in your bank account. All right. You'll never be stuck. The total value of this bonus package is $13,000, but it's yours free today when you join POP program. Now, here's the best part. Just one sale. Okay. You make one POP sale that will cover your entire investment. But you are not just getting a product to resell. You are getting the easiest, most beginner-friendly way to launch a profitable online business with a premium proven digital product already done for you with a simple 3-step money-making process that you can follow with coaching and support from 7-figure earners. You're also going to get a private community of successful members helping each other grow. All right. Just one sale you make will pay for the entire program. Every single sale after that is pure profit for your business, and you are building an income stream you fully control. Our students are using this exact system right now to create income online, and many of them started with 0 experience. So if you are ready to finally start with a done-for-you digital product, a proven process, and personal coaching from our $1 million award-winning coaches to literally guarantee your first $5,000 online, click the button down below, enroll into our POP program today. And when you click the button down below, you're going to see the enrollment page. Okay. Depending on where you are watching this video from, you will either see this enrollment page or you're going to see this enrollment page. Okay. So either one of them will work. So you can use either one of them. Okay. So to join POP, It's just one-time investment, $997. Okay, literally one sale, because you are making 100% commissions. One sale cover your investment today. All right, and everything else is pure profit. In the meantime, you're also gonna get $5,000 guarantee coaching as a free bonus. Okay, or we coach you every single week for free until you have that $5,000 in your bank account. For some of you, right, you might see payment option available. Okay, this is case by case. So if you see like a pay later, right, on this enrollment page, you're gonna see after pay. On this enrollment page, you're gonna see after pay. Okay, so you either see PayPal pay later option or after pay option. If you do see this option available for you, right, you can go ahead, click on it, and apply for a payment plan. Okay, I just want to let you know the payment plan is not available for everybody. Okay, if you see it when you visit the enrollment page, then you can try to use payment plan. Okay, you need to click on it and actually apply with the financier and see what kind of monthly payment plan that they can approve you. Okay, same thing with PayPal pay later option. So you can do either one pay, right, or you can try payment option. So click down below, enroll into POP, and let's help you get to your first $5,000 month. I'll see you on the inside.
These guys really over deliver. I mean, I finally feel that I have some strategies and tips, some concrete things that I can do that are going to move me forward in my affiliate marketing business.
I finally feel like I have some clarity and I have a plan in place for what I'm going to do in the next few months. I'm excited for it, and I just wanted to thank you for sharing all of your strategies.
It was jam-packed with nuggets for marketers of all levels, from Facebook profile training to social media marketing. No stone